What is this called right here?
Time machine.
And Josh, what's it for? Why would you get this?
Because if they have a disagreement and they really like, they didn't use their words and they want to use it, we set it up. Are you willing?
Mm-hmm. Are you willing?
Yes.
Okay, take your first step. Okay, so now what do you do on that step?
You breathe.
You take a deep breath. What does STAR stand for?
Stop, take a deep breath, and relax.
Okay. And then you take the next step. Okay, so what is...
We do like we did earlier, so we just...
You wish well. Why do you think you wishing people well so you can solve a problem? Why do you think that? Do you think it helps at all?
Yeah, it helps sort of because it makes them pretty much feel better because they want other people to help them.
Yeah, I get it. Okay, and then you take the next step. So Talise, what is that one?
1, 2, 3, let's do it. So we
Okay.
take another step and
I don't like it when you push me. Please,
And what would you like her to do instead?
watch where you're going.
Yeah. So do you read it or do you actually look at the person when you do this?
look at the person.
Yeah. You look. You
Person.
think looking helps? Yeah. And then what do you say?
Okay, I can do that.
And then this heart. What does that heart thing in the middle mean? Oh, I see what that heart means. You just kind of. Now, when you hug each other at the end, what do you think that means?
It means we can become a family again.
You're back being a family again. That makes sense to me. Have you ever? Do y'all like the time machine?
Yeah.
How come?
Because we like solving problems and figuring out what's going on and like hoping people understand and solve the problem that we're in.
Yeah, that feels better, don't you think, than going around being mad at each other?
Yeah.
Yeah.